Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature on this device by the application. So we have to start from downloading this app and launch it. Now skip. And close that. Now click here on the simulation section and hold your finger here. Close that again, and how you can see, this is my results. If you want to save it, click here and click save. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.